Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have credentials. Now connect. Use SSH or the Cloud Console and authenticate as a user with sudo rights. Once connected, detect the environment, Linux, Windows, container, or VM because methods differ. Make sure to run a simple identity command like uname to confirm the OS. If you cannot elevate to sudo, request temporary access. These steps start the discovery process, so you can safely retrieve the server identifier without guessing or breaking permissions. Now gather the ID using commands suited to the environment. On modern Linux, try hostnametal or cat/etc/machine ID. For hardware UUID, use sudo dmodecode system UUID. In cloud instances, query the metadata endpoint, for example, curl http://169. 254. 169. 254/latest/metadata/ or the provider's API to get instance ID. On Windows, run finish by verifying the value you collected. Cross-check CLI output against provider console or orchestration control plane to ensure the same identifier appears. Consistency prevents mislabeling. Save the server ID into your inventory or configuration management database with who retrieved it and when. If values differ or are missing, make sure metadata services are reachable, your account has permission to query them, and that you're not inside a transient container without host identifiers. Rerun commands with sudo and escalate support when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.